So there's a pretty counterintuitive way to actually get AI to work for you. So if you have a business or you're a freelancer or whatever it is, and you're just not happy with a lot of the outputs that you get, there's a pretty specific thing that you can do, which is to provide more constraints on the system. AI thrives on constraints, not freedom. People tend to think that AI thrives on freedom, that you can just give it this big thing and say, hey, go do something awesome with this for me. That's not really how it works. And so when you put constraints on a large language model, you force it to think creatively and use its processing power within the confines of that very specific thing that you gave it, right? Very specific parameters, very specific benchmarks, very specific training examples. And so more rules often result in better outcomes. Boundaries enhance the precision. So instead of allowing the AI to do whatever it thinks is a high probability correct response in some super wide scope, we force it to think critically and creatively within a very specific frame, right? So more precision in how we prompt and give instructions gives you a much more specific response. And so don't be afraid to go out there and give really detailed sets of instructions.